What's going on, YouTube? Oh, I'm back again with another video. This video I'm gonna show you guys how to install RJWC Neutrino, whatever that word is, tail lights. Like I said, I was gonna do the tail lights, but I wasn't gonna do the headlights because I really didn't see fit of paying $600 for headlights when they might end up getting snatched out if I come down off a wheelie or anything like that. And my tires ripped the front head, like that would just be a waste of $600. So, if you watch my previous video, you know I just put some LED bulbs in my stock housing. I'm probably just gonna order some halos from Far Money. That's a lot cheaper and a cheaper route. But yeah, I got the tail lights though. I'm gonna show you guys how to put them in. To remove the big tail lights, you just twist this housing right here. You just twist it and it comes out like it's literally locked in. You stick it in there, you twist. So take it out, you just twist it. Well, unplug it first. It'll be hooked up to this. You unplug it first. You twist it and push it out. This right here, you have to hold this with some type of pry or something like that, so it won't rotate with the bolt. But that's how you take that out. And the bolt for that is right here. And once you take that out, you have to drill a hole for the small tail lights because it has a wire. The small tail lights that go into that spot, it has a wire and a bolt hole. So you have to drill a hole for the wire to come through, or for that to come through. But you won't see the hole from the outside because the light will be covering up. So I'm gonna go get my hole drill and I'll get back with you guys. Got one side done. I'm gonna see how it looks. That looks a whole lot better. I said I already got the other side, took out to do a comparison, but that's how it looks. I'm finna show you guys how it looks when you press down on the brakes. I'm just gonna lock the brakes since I'm doing it. I'm by myself right now. There we go. And that lights up when you lock the brakes. I like it. I like it a lot. And it's super simple to install. All you have to do is drill a hole for this light, drill a hole on the back side of it for the wire that's coming out that light. And this side, it already has a hole. You just twist to take the old nut, stick that one in and twist it to lock it. And on the back side, cause they give you two connectors, one for the left light, one for the right light. Connect both of those, and you connect the black one to the stock housing. They just plug and play, and the other housing just bolts up like the old reflector did. I don't know why they send this gray wire, but they got a boot in it, so I guess for water reason. But I don't know why they sent that, because you don't have to use it. Some other people might have to use it on their Gen 2s, but I didn't have to use it on mine. So yeah, let me get the other side mounted up. I'll pick you guys up. I got both sides done. Now let's look at. That looks a whole lot better. It looks more mean, and plus they're tinted. Hold on, let me take the plastic off. There it is. Look a little bit better. I think that looks a whole lot better. Tell me what you guys think. I like it. Let me do the brakes again, so you guys can see the brakes with both of them. They're bright too. They look good. I like it. Like I said, guys, pretty simple install. Nothing too hard. 1 out of 3 wrenches, I get a 1, probably even half a wrench. Anybody can do this. Basically, everything is plug and play. Only thing you have to do extra is probably you have to drill a hole behind that one where the marker was to stick the wires from the back of it inside there. But other than that, everything else is the light right here screws in on the back, and these you twist. They twist sideways. You pull them out, twist sideways. They lock them. That's how the stock one was in there. That's how these are there. Like I showed you on this side. Twist it, pull it out, put it in there, twist, lock. It's a weird system, but it works. So yeah, you guys, Got these lights in. All I'm waiting on now is my halos, and I'll be finished with lightning. You guys can see in my last video, I do have underglow as well. I got that hooked up. So yeah, I'm getting done. Yeah, you guys, lights look good. Would I recommend? Yes, it makes it look a lot better in the rear. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.